might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games.
If you guys want to know how to get these beautiful bouncy curls, please keep watching the video. So I do have to add, I am not a hairstylist. I do my own hair, okay? But starting off, before I do any styles, whether if it's straightening or curling, I always make sure that I hot comb my edges and make sure the leave out is right. And I won't be a crab and leave out the details of this hair. This hair is from 12 Hair Collection. I found the girl on Instagram. She runs her own company, and of course y'all know it's black owned. So this is raw Indian wave, I believe. I got it in 26 inches. I bought this hair last year, around December. I had got it for my birthday, and again, it's raw Indian hair, so it lasts for a long time if you keep up with it. I ain't gonna tell you how much it costs, but if you guys would like to know, I will give you guys the details in another video. And also, this hair is a total of 4 bundles that I had got. I have installed it in probably like about 3 or 4 times, maybe a little more. Washed it, everything you can think of. I did dye it jet black as well when I first got it, but right now I have it styled in with a quick weave. No, I do not cut my wefts. I actually flip them, so I feel like it just helps maintain the weft and the quality of this hair.
We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything.
So when I do my wand curling, I always start from the back. You have some people that like to start from the front, but I love starting from the back. And of course, I like, breaking it down into threes, or how much that section of hair has for me to divide it out. Also, I have used no products in this hair. Even off camera, I have used no products in this hair. It's actually freshly washed. I don't like adding products when I'm doing styling to this hair, I would say, just because it's so raw and unprocessed. It holds a curl so nicely. All the materials I have used in this video, as for the wand curler, my Denman brush, the rat tail tooth comb I used, and also the clips that I used to hold my hair up, even down to the scrunchies. I all got it all out of Walmart.
Just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me here. Make me think it through some magic and feel like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You get it, baby, and I'll be there. Be there. don't stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Do some magic in my mind.
So now that you guys see how I do one side, I'm not gonna sit and make you guys watch this whole other side. So I'm gonna kind of cut through some of it because you guys get the idea of how I basically get these bouncy curls. No product, quality hair, and just a proper technique. So there you guys have it, the finished look of how to wand curl. So again, there are no products on this hair, and look how bouncy it is. There's no freeze spray that's gonna make it hard. There's no oil that's gonna make it oily. Just naturally raw, bouncy curls. If you guys would like to see how I keep these curls and maintain them for a week, please tune into my next video on how I wrap my hair at night.